How to fix iCloud photos not showing in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on your Apple account. Now here you can see the options iCloud. Now click on iCloud and then click on photos. Now here you can sync your photos to iCloud. If you turn this button off, then turn it on. After turning this button on, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings again and check your iCloud storage and your iPhone storage. Now click on Apple ID and then click on iCloud. Now here you can check your iCloud storage. If your iCloud storage is full, then free up some space. After that, go back and click on General and then click on iPhone storage. Now here you can clear your iPhone storage. After that, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. And then swipe this icon to right side for restart your device. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and click on General. Now scroll down in last and then click on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then click on Reset. On top you can see the option Reset All Settings. Now click on it and here enter your passcode to reset all your settings. It will reset all your settings but never damage any other data like photos, videos and apps. So after reset all your settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.